Optimizing graphics settings in FIFA 24 can enhance your gaming experience by improving performance and visual quality. Follow these steps to adjust your settings effectively. Step 1. Access graphics settings. Launch FIFA 24 and navigate to the main menu. From there, go to the Settings option and select Graphics Settings to access the various options available for customization. Step 2. Adjust resolution. In the Graphics Settings menu, find the Resolution option. Set it to your monitor's native resolution for the best visual quality. If performance is an issue, consider lowering the resolution slightly to improve frame rates. Step 3. Set texture quality. Locate the texture quality setting and choose a level that balances performance and visual fidelity. High texture quality looks better but requires more resources, so adjust it based on your system's capabilities. Step 4. Modify anti-aliasing. Find the anti-aliasing option, which helps smooth out jagged edges. You can set it to a lower level or turn it off if you experience performance issues. Experiment with different settings to find the best compromise between visuals and performance. Step 5. Enable VSync and frame rate limit. Check the VSync option to reduce screen tearing, which can improve visual stability. Additionally, set a frame rate limit that matches your monitor's refresh rate to ensure smooth gameplay without overloading your system. By following these steps, you can optimize the graphics settings in FIFA 24 for a better gaming experience. Enjoy your game.